about romance. Oh, can you watch books?
Reading books is better.
I say.
Look at Kobe reading like you're watching TV.
This one tells you all about history in the Roman times, like how the
Romance.
Romans built long, straight roads and churches and had fights with.
Pancit Canton. Pag ano ka muna, magandang umaga. Magandang umaga, guys. Morning. Good morning. Ah. Sarado mo muna, wait. Trabaho na kami ni Chico, guys. Chico, trabaho. O, patrol truck ka karon. Hawakan mo ito, oh. Ito ang hawakan mo yung wallet. Oh, yan, tara. Bili mo na kaming tinapay, guys, kasi hindi ako nakakain ng breakfast. Dito, oh, hindi yan. Dito, oh, ito, oh. All the money, like that. Hindi dyan, dito tayo. Tinapay man, bili tayong tinapay. Oh, hindi ako nakakain ng breakfast, pero si Chico nakakain na siya. So, bibili lang akong tinapay dito. Kasi si Miss Joselle din, hindi pa nakakain. Tinapay dyan, oh. Sa unahan. Hali, dito tayo. Hop, Dahan-dahan lang kay may tricycle. Kasi may tricycle.
Stop! This is not the way to pass it. I don't see it.
No, we will buy tinapay from here. Dito. Hepa! Here. Alas 7 pa lang ng umaga, guys. Mag-alas 8 pa lang. Daming tao na kasi simula na ng paaralan. Dito tayo daanan na kasi may kotse. Op. Huwag mahawakan yan. Oh, punta tayo dito sa may tinapay. Yeah. Ayan, no, tinapay, oh.
Wow, I see something happened.
Oo, sige na, pasok ka dyan. Maghanap tayo. Tinapay. Ito na lang, anak ko. Magkano po? 60 pesos daw. Sabihin mo?
Salamat po.
Tara. Bitbit mo. Tinapay para sa yung Pancit Canton.
Tinapay at
Ito ka sa gilid daan, ha. Not on the road, ha. Sige na, go na. Dito sa gilid na lang.
the rice and cassava in the plate. Jam.
Don't step on my bag, please.
Yeah.
Opo ka na dyan.
Done.
Mainit, ha. Lagay mo dyan sa floor. Pastil part. Dito sa Johnson, yung ganitong klaseng pastil, parang maliit na cup, 1/2 cup of rice. Tsaka meron siyang chicken or fish sa taas, nasa 12 pesos. So, sobrang affordable, malinis, mainit pa. Kaya okay lang bumili ng breakfast outside. Maraming nabubuhay itong pastil, guys. You like it? Hello guys, good morning. Maayong buntag everyone. And happy Friday, by the way. Naigapang naman natin yung ating Friday. At dahil Friday ngayon, ang buhay po namin talaga ay naiwan pa sa Baguio. As you can see, lagi po naming bit-bit yung inyong homemade na strawberry jam. Maraming salamat. This one is one of my favorite. Ito yung Allmans na brand. Ayan, gusto ko siya kasi hindi po siya lasang asukal. Mas marami yung strawberry niya kaysa sa syrup. And meron kasi akong ibang natikman na lasang asukal, guys. So, eto nagustuhan ko siya. Kaya, lagi ko siyang dala. Plus, meron tayong tinapay. Pero naitawid tayo niya ng buong linggo, ha. And our Monday to Friday, since we came back to Baguio, has been really, really busy. I tried to juggle my time sa lahat ng bagay, sa mga bata, sa pagbebenta, sa mga personal ko na time with some of my staff. And also, I am also busy sa pag-study ng ating bagong business venture na aking sinishare sa inyo, which is ang laundry business. Ngayon, marami ako nababasa, maraming mga nagme-mention, nagko-comment na discouraging words. Pero kasi guys, when you enter business, you have to keep in mind that it's always a risk. And there's a lot of things that you have to consider when starting up a business to make sure that it would work. So if you tried everything, if you arrange everything sa business na bubuksan mo, at least there will be a bigger chance, not that you're not going to end up like other people who started their business and they felt overwhelmed. They felt like, right away, mag-start tayo ng business, ganyan. So, I'm going to start this business, na-share ko sa inyo, itong laundry business na to, and I'm starting from scratch. So, I'm going to be very busy on the next few weeks, few months, kasi I really want to learn this business from the ground. And the only way for me to learn something is to really sit down on ground, guys. Para matutunan talaga natin. Kasi iba pa rin yung tinuturo lang sa inyo at iba pa rin yung natututunan mo yung certain situations on the spot. And this Saturday, pupunta kami ng Davao City. Ayan. Sa lahat ng mga taga Davao, hi, hello, goodbye. Hindi pa pala goodbye. See you soon. Ngayong Saturday, we will be there kasi magkakaroon ng seminar for laundry business. Ayan. At SM Lanang. So, I'm going to attend that one with my mother. At saka isasama ko aray ko, nasabit yung aking tenga. Isasama ko Miss Giselle dito, tsaka si Part. So, we will be in Davao, guys. Tsaka meron akong gustong tikman dyan na restaurant na pinakita ni Will Dasovich, yung Liza Seafood, grilled seafood, and more on seafood, mga sinaserve nila. So I like the vibe very much. Kaya gusto ko siyang puntahan. Inshallah, we will be there this Saturday before we attend the seminar. Another thing that kept me busy is may nakita akong posting sa Facebook. Kasi taga General Santos City po ako and alam ko marami sa inyo nang tatanong, Madam, saan po kayo sa Pilipinas? Madam, nakauwi na pala kayo? Madam, nasa Pilipinas na pala kayo? Madam, umalis na pala kayo ng Africa? We are now in the Philippines, you guys, in my small town where I lived my whole life before I left Philippines. And this is General Santos City. Melay Cantiveros, kung kilala nyo siya, taga dito po siya. Manny Pacquiao, taga dito rin. Gerald Anderson, taga dito din yan. Colette ng PBB, yung recent PBB, taga dito din. And si Princess Giga, kung kilala nyo, taga dito din yan. But anyway, guys, General Santos City is very well known for our tuna capital of the Philippines. So, dito po talaga sa amin ang gagaling yung mga tuna. Ang daming tuna, murang tuna, lahat ng klase ng tuna, guys. Kaya kapag may pumupunta dito, talagang inuuwi nila is yung mga tuna parts or yung mga canned tuna or mga tuna products na processed na like chorizo, embutido, sisig, and many more. So, once again, taga Jensen po tayo. And if you can hear a hint of Ilonggo accent, the way I speak, it's because I'm a pure-blooded Ilongga. My father is from Iloilo. Though I'm not very familiar with my father's side kasi hindi po kami lumaki na close. And my father did not really get the chance to introduce us to his hometown, which is Lapututan, Iloilo. But my father is from there. So he is, yung Ilonggo niya, guys, deeper version, Karay-a. And my mom is from South Cotabato, I believe Norala, doon lahat ng family namin. So, nabubulol ako ngayong umaga. Sa lahat ng mga taga Norala, South Cotabato, hello sa inyo dyan, guys. And sa lahat ng Vergara family, mga pinsan ko, maraming salamat for always loving us and supporting my YouTube channel. Ayan, alam nyo kung sino kayo. Shout out sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga pinsan ko, ayan, Aranda, maraming salamat as well. And of course, sa mga pinsan ko na Parenyo din. Ayun, kasi before I became a Yiga, I was Princess Jane Aranda Parenyo. So Aranda was my mother's side and Parenyo was my is my father's side. Is or was? Is, kasi current naman siya. And of course, meron tayong Yiga, pero meron ako nakitang comment na natatawa ako. Galit na galit siya sa akin, guys, kasi sabi niya ano daw, kating-kati daw ako magpa-divorce, pero proud daw akong gamitin yung apelyido ko na Higa. Hindi ko alam saan siya banda nagagalit. Ma'am, wala ka pong magagawa. Kasi po yung lahat po ng documents ko ay Higa po, kaya kailangan ko po siyang gamitin. Hindi ko na siya pwedeng tanggalin as of now, kasi lahat from passport to IDs to lahat ng ID na in-apply ko dito sa Pilipinas, lahat po yan ay nakahiga. So, wag po kayong magalit sa apelyido. Wala pong kasalanan yan. So, anyway, let me go back. This week, I saw a posting sa Facebook timeline ko. And I don't know, I felt like I needed to be involved right away. And this posting was from a mother, ayan, kay Ma'am Beb. And she posted this one. Ayan. So, she is actually reaching out to people na willing mag-help sa situation nila ng kanyang anak. So, Miss Beb, she has a daughter named Azalea. I met the daughter, guys. I met the girl. She's just like Mayumi. She's 1 year and 3 months old, and she's a baby girl. And she's posting this one, guys. So, if you have the time, kindly this one. So, Azalea has a condition sa kanyang liver. I forgot the name. Ito, basahin natin yung pangalan. Kasi, medyo mahirap yung term. At first time ko lang siyang narinig talaga. Wait lang. Ayan. So, yung kanyang case ay biliary atresia. Sakit siya sa atay. So, nung nakita ko yung posting niya, I felt like, we can do something. Kasi we have that kind of, following. So, I know a lot of people, tayong mga Pilipino, guys, hindi man tayo mayaman, we have the helpful heart. We have that heart na giver tayo, kahit na hindi tayo mayaman, wala tayong maraming pera. And I know it's not bad to share for those who are willing to help. So, I asked my sisters right away, and kasi ang ginawa ni Miss Beb, to be able to gather that fund kasi kailangan ni Azalea ng immediate liver transplant that will cost them. I heard from the mother of the child, it's around 1.7 million pesos kasi sa India pa gagawin yung operasyon. It's not available. The procedure is not available dito sa Pilipinas. So they have to go to India. Pero from 1.7 million, they ask help from Rafi Tulfo, ayun yung team ni Rafi Tulfo, and from that bill, it came down to 500,000 pesos plus. Of course, that's not included yet their flight ticket to India, their allowance in India habang nasa hospital sila. That's just for the hospital bill. This information I heard from the mother after I visited them para i-meet siya at ibigay yung mga pinabigay ng mga viewers natin, ng mga kapatid ko. And when I posted, my sister right away bought, kasi meron siyang ginawa, and I really appreciate that. She organized, yung mama mismo, guys, nag-organize po ng selling for a cause. Now, I know a lot of you know what selling for a cause is. So, basically, nagbebenta ka ng bagay and the price of that certain thing is higher than the normal price because it's for a cause. So, I had experiences with this before. I knew some friends who did that before. And for Ma'am Bev, yung nanay ni Azalea, she started selling mugs. So, I'm going to show you guys. Ito actually yung pinupost niya. Ito actually yung kanyang reason bakit very active siya sa posting. Kasi hindi para humingi agad ng pera, kundi para magbenta ng mug. And that's when I can really feel goosebumps, you guys. Kasi for someone who have that kind of course, nanay siya. Kapag ka nanay ka or magulang ka, you are willing to, to sacrifice almost everything for your children. So, she was posting this at yung message ng cap is Save Azalea's Life, as you can see. And the other side is Just liver the dream. Kasi eto po talaga yung kailangan ni Azelia. And for them to gather the funds, yung pamilya ni Azelia at mama ni Azelia, they are selling mugs for 200 pesos only. Once again, guys, that's not overpriced. Again, this is selling for a cause. So we bought, my sisters bought, I bought, and on that day na imimit ko dapat si Baby Azelia at si Mami Beb, nag-post ako sa page ko and a lot of people reach out. Not too much, pero at least there's some people, you know, it's a great help. I had like 5 to 7 people and we gathered at least as of today, parang naka 10,000 pesos na tayo na pinabigay natin sa mama ni Baby Azelia, or I think Baby A's ang tawag. So, as of today, kasi kahapon merong nagpahabol ng around 3,200 pesos and they did not want the mug, they just wanted to give the amount. I'm not sure, I'm not going to say their names kasi hindi naman ako nagpaalam, but just know, if you are one of these people who gave and share something for Baby A's to save Baby A's, maraming salamat po. God knows the intention of your heart and we are forever grateful, especially the parents of Azelia. So I have here, guys, the mugs kasi merong bumili ng tag 5-5, merong bumili ng 2, merong bumili ng 10, and I delivered them yesterday. Miss Giselle was helping me na i-deliver to, and Parts drove us to the location sa bahay nila Ace. That's why meron kaming time na mag-meet. So this is the photo taken when we met each other. Kasi syempre guys, no, minsan alam natin, hindi ko sinasabi na niloloko tayo or whatnot, pero you know the kind of world we have right now. It's still better to know kung saan talaga napupunta yung ating ibibigay. So I met them and I met the mother and I even saw Baby Ace, pero she is in a really, for me, she's in a sensitive condition. Kaya hindi ko na siya hinawakan kasi I don't know which part of the body ng bata is masakit. So, yun guys. Pero, the mother of Baby Ace is quite, ano siya guys, hindi siya makapaniwala na it happened on that day, na a lot of people helped, and at least, you know, we gave them a certain amount to help them put together the 500,000 pesos na amount. Ang layo pa guys, pero there's nothing impossible. Sa lahat ng mga gustong tumulong, ayan, I know God will make a way. And kung gusto ninyong tumulong, you can contact, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box, sa baba guys, kindly check yung pangalan ng nanay at yung kanilang GCash number. Once again, I met them already and I met Baby Ace. They really need your help, you guys. And if you are willing to help, any amount would do. It would be great help for them. So, anyway, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo yung kanyang sakit pala. So, wait lang. So, etong sakit pala guys, na biliary atresia, ay sakit siya sa atay. And, either yung atay ng bata ay meron siyang passages para daanan ng mga dumi, or meron siyang passages na block, or walang passages na naga-exist. So, kaya yung reason sa picture na nakikita ninyo, lumalaki po yung tiyan ni Baby Ace kasi apektado na yung kanyang spleen. Okay? So, sabi ng nanay sa akin, sabi daw ng doktor sa kanila, it's an inborn condition kasi dalawa yan eh. It can be inborn or acquired. So, once again, Baby Ace is 1 year and 3 months and she's been suffering the symptoms simula nung 2 months old siya. So, sorry. So anyway, you guys, if you are willing to purchase this, you can contact me or you can contact the mother directly. Pwede kayong bumili ng mugs na tag 200 pesos each. Tapos isi-send na lang sa inyo via JNT. Kindly pay na lang po the delivery fee. Or you can just donate any amount. Ayun. If meron man kayong any questions, guys, you can also reach me sa aking page na Tindera sa Africa, or sa aking page na Mayumi Thailand Closet. Pwede po kayong mag-message both dyan sa dalawa. Kung hindi po ako yung magre-reply, Miss Giselle will be the one to respond to you guys. Ayun. So, maraming salamat once again. I know our videos pinapanood ng mama ni Baby Ace kasi nagkakilala na kami. And I introduced myself to her. Kasi syempre, kailangan niya din ako mamit. Baka mamaya, guys, scammer pala tayo. Baka mamaya, pinopost, ginagamit natin yung pictures nila or ano.
So, para maayos lahat ng usapan, talagang nag-meet kami face-to-face. And that's when the mother of baby Ace realized na talaga pong ako ay nag-i-exist. Ako po talaga ay taga-Jensan, ako ay vlogger both sa YouTube tsaka sa Facebook. At we are really there to help them. So, lahat po ng mga sinisend ko po yung screenshot ng mga messages ninyo, yung screenshot ng payment ninyo sa nanay ni Baby Ace. And also, meron din mga messages ang mama ni Baby Ace just in case you guys would like to, if you would like to contact them directly, pwede din. Ayun. Meron naman silang phone number, meron naman silang Facebook. Alright. So, maraming salamat once again, you guys, sa lahat po ng tumulong. I really appreciate that. We appreciate that. And you could be one of the reason na ma-save yung buhay ni Baby Ace. Kasi daw, sabi ng nanay sa akin, after ma-liver transplant si Baby Azalea, there's a huge chance na hindi na siya, magiging okay siya. And the donor of the liver is mismong nanay po ni Azalea. Ayun. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I don't want to share any videos of Baby Ace, guys, kasi I feel like I'm not in that position to do so. If you would like to see more ng details ng ganitong donation project na ginagawa ng mama ng baby, you can visit their page or their Facebook account directly. Ayun. Maraming salamat you guys once again. I'm going to continue my day. Pero gusto ko lang gawan to ng message para sa inyo kasi hindi natin alam kung ilan pa sa inyo yung maaabot natin na willing mag-help. Again, maraming salamat po at I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love, Princess Higa.